Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too.
Mm-hmm.
And I have some questions for you today.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think as
Mm.
ladies behave after breakup? How do we behave after breakup?
Uh, Firstly, nasema like tuna go through stages.
Mm-hmm.
At first, like you don't wanna admit like kwanza ka ilikuwa fault yako, you
Mm-hmm.
wanna blame it on the other party. Kama ilikuwa fault yako, you still somehow like bado you want that connection at first. But at first you try to detach.
Yeah.
Lakini after a while, we tend to move on.
Okay. And
Yeah.
how do we detach from a breakup?
Um Focus on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
In the moment realize you've broken up with someone, that for one, huyo msee alikuwa na take up most of your time for
Yeah.
one. So the moment break up, that's a time to focus on yourself.
Okay.
Like focus on your goals, focus on your vision.
Mm-hmm.
Vision. Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
how do we detach ourselves emotionally?
Emotionally.
Mm-hmm.
First siwezi advise mtu detach emotionally. You have to get through by facing your emotions kwanza.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have to face them head on. Like ujue, why am I feeling this? Is it because like alini do bad? Is
Yeah.
it because I did bad? Like face your emotions. If you try to run away from your emotions and detaching from them, zita catch up na wewe either sooner or later, or even in your next relationship utapata emotions zenye haukudeal nazo zina manifest
Zinakuwa affect the
later,
other relationship.
in
Okay.
your
And what
relationship.
changes in a girl after a breakup?
First you glow because you wanna show the man like till you break up, like bado I'm still in the market, bado I'm still shining, I'm still queen.
Yeah.
Like you have to glow after
Yeah.
a breakup. Though, yeah, to even like boost your confidence.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you think us ladies move on fast after a breakup?
No, men do. Ladies don't
Okay.
move on fast. The attachment tunakuwaga nayo. Okay, not mostly, but I'll say kwa tukiangalia genders between men and women, women wanakuanga mostly emotionally invested in the relationship.
Okay.
So unapata even after a breakup, hata kama haikuwa shida yake ama hata kama ilikuwa shida yake, like we are still connected. Like
Okay.
bado kuna hiyo attached, it's deep because it's just our nature as ladies. So
Okay.
we tend to not move on fast. We tend to take time. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you think we do in the process of healing?
In the process of healing after a breakup, go out with friends, find new hobbies, anything to get distracted from that man.
Okay.
Like do something yenye haita kukumbusha like your relationship. Go out with friends, try out new hobbies, go to new places. Like fanya tu vitu, keep yourself active, focus on your goals, focus on yourself. Yeah, and in no time utakuwa move on, hata utashangaa.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do we heal and move on after a breakup as ladies? What do you think?
Vile utahil. First of all, siwezi sema kuna formula ya kuheal personally. But kitu naweza sema, just give yourself time, give yourself the grace to be like single. Jipe tu your grace as a woman.
Okay.
Na utajipata tu umeheal. Like usikuwe na hii rush ati I'm supposed to heal. Sijui I'm supposed to move on immediately with other people. Like give yourself the grace, give yourself the time to heal. Like take yourself slow. Unaona, jipe hiyo, naitwaje? Jongeleshe kama your own child, kama your own baby. Like talk to yourself nicely, kindly, give yourself grace, cry if you have to. Like do anything you have to heal. Like jipe your grace.
Okay, the last question. Have you ever met yourself in a situation like you have breakup, sorry?
Yeah, I have.
And how was the experience?
Okay, my experience with breaking up, because of me, I was the one who broke up with the man. Because, issues, growth and all that. I wanted to focus on myself. The other person, my partner, didn't. Like, hakuwa na hizo, growth milestones. He was just me. I'm just okay with my life. Hataki to improve and anything. Yeah. Alafu alikuwa pia reluctant on goal setting and all that.
And when did you realize that?
Really realized like we had already been dating for like a year, but even before that we were in a situationship. So like the whole experience ilikuwa kama 3 years hivi. So like 6 months hivi towards the end, ama tuseme hiyo the last year ndio I started like having like hiyo desire to grow myself and like to reach new heights with my improvement and my goals and everything.
Yeah.
But the problem was ilikuwa mi peke yangu. Unajua, if you don't have support from your partner, like I don't think you can go and do. I tried at first to like do my own thing.
Yeah.
I tried to do my own thing, focus on me, but it was hard since like my partner hakukuwa into that.
Yeah.
So I just had to nikamwelezea at first, and I told him this and this and this and this. But alikuwa hakuwa into it. In fact, alikuwa na discourage, anasema I don't like this new person, I don't like this new V, I like the old one mwenye tulikuwa tunafanya tu V tu like just doing things because you're doing things.
Yeah.
So hiyo ilikuwa inani discourage, and I said this is not the person like I want to see myself in the future with. Like I have to end this. I don't want this for myself. I wouldn't want this for my daughter. I wouldn't want this for my friend.
Yeah.
So I had to make the hard decision. I really loved him, but sometimes you have to make decisions for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how I broke up.
And what was the thing, or about maybe business or something to do with yourself, your passion? Ilikuwa
tu just improving myself as a passion.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to just get more out of this life because there's so much more. Like I wanted to start my own channel. At that time, sikuwa nimeanza busy. Yeah, so I wanted to start my own channel. I wanted to have my own like source of income.
Something coming out of you.
Like I wanted to be proud of myself and proud of my growth. Lakini that relationship wasn't the place to be if I wanted to grow.
Yeah.
So I just had to.
And now you are at the right place you wanted to be?
Yeah. Actually, I'm najiambia kama if I probably didn't make that decision I made, I wouldn't be here.
Oh.
Your relationship ilikuwa inani hold back from a lot. Yeah. But not all people are like this, of course. Kuna watu neza grow now. Yeah, but hii haikuwa inani grow. So I had to make that decision.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
What do you think after us ladies experience breakup, how do we behave afterwards?
Okay. Some of us pretend to be fine, yet we are not fine, and we actually hurt. But sometimes we need some time to heal. Yeah.
What do you think changes immediately after breakup?
Trust reduces between you and the man. Yeah. Maybe you feel like no one else can love you like he did. Yeah, that.
And another thing, do you think we are affected emotionally, or we some of us like are just okay? And do you think we usually take time to heal, and in what way?
Yeah, we are affected, and since you just said that, yes, we are affected. First, we have to say that.
What happens to girls when they are hurted, like emotionally? What happens to them?
Most of people, maybe they go out to release the pain that they feel when hurt. Some eat, lock themselves in their houses. Yeah, listening to music.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what can you tell someone who is experiencing heartbreak right now? Okay, thank you. What do you think as girls behave after breakup?
I think it depends on the type of person you are. Technically, there are those like personally, I'll take my time to heal, to move on, try to find myself. Yeah.
Okay, what happens emotionally?
Emotionally, I try to like put myself together to like build up to get myself back, the type of person I was before I met this other person. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. After now, you when you say you want to get yourself back, do you like try to improve yourself, learn the mistakes you had from the previous before you go to the current?
Okay, I try to like emotionally. I think I try to like find my strength, how to like I can like cope up by myself without like vile nilikuwa before I met this person, because I was a different person before I met this person. Vitu kama hizo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you upgrade the person you were with the person you want to be?
Like upgrade the
Maybe the partner.
to upgrade.
Yeah.
For me, like I'd prefer somebody who like builds me up emotionally. I think you're talking about looks.
Maybe itategemea na mtu mwenye maybe you want.
Okay, personally, like a person who like builds me emotionally without like somebody who like is there for me, who supports me emotionally, somebody who gets me. I think that is what I look for next.
Okay, do you think as girls change fast after breakup?
I think personally, like I do. I don't know about others, but I changed like the version that I was. I try to be a better version. So like, yeah.
Okay, the last question.
Okay.
How do girls heal, react, and move on after breakup?
Some of us will listen to like music. You try to like find something you love, or you try to like learn a new talent, something that you can do. For example, you can find something kama uneza. For example, me, I'd like after I got heartbroken, I tried learning how to crochet, so that things like that.
Keep yourself busy.
Yeah, to keep myself busy. I listen to music to like create a distraction.
Okay. And how do you move on afterwards?
Moving on, I don't move on that fast. Like I just after I find myself, it depends. If I find like a better person, somebody who gets me emotionally, that's the time like I'll move on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the last question: what can you tell someone who is experiencing a breakup right now?
Somebody is experiencing a breakup right now.
Yeah.
Asijali, life like must move on. What am I saying? Like maisha lazima iendelee. Maisha haisimamangi juu mtu amekuacha or something. You just like find yourself, you'll find better, watu ni wengi, and you are still pretty. The same person that found you, macho ingine inakuona, you'll find somebody better.
Yeah.
And don't like get yourself down, try to put yourself down or something.
Yeah.
No, you appreciate yourself and you move on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What do you think us ladies behave after breakups?
In my point of view, it depends on the type of relationship one has been. There are relationships whereby you are so emotionally attached, or maybe if you detect a red flag earlier, it can help someone detach, and then it will be easier for you even if you break up with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you detach yourself emotionally?
I'm able to detach myself emotionally. Maybe. It's so hard.
Okay. Why?
It's so hard. Maybe if you have detected the red flags, I mean, you just do it. They know you. Once you feel that this person doesn't want you anymore, maybe you detach yourself. But I don't know how, but it comes so natural. Yeah, depending on the type of relationship.
Okay. Have you experienced a breakup before?
No.
Okay.
Because I easily detect the red flags earlier. That makes me easy to detach myself and also go for another relationship. I'm so good at moving on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when did you realize the red flags in the relationship?
Maybe if the person begins to change, like the habits that they used to do, like calling you, maybe buying you something, not talking to you. They can't even stay for 1 week without even talking to you.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Do you think us women pretend after breakups? Do you think breakups makes us pretend?
I don't think so. We are known for being the good detectors in terms of detecting whether a man wants you or not.
Yeah.
So it is easy for us to move on.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't think we pretend.
The last question. And how do you heal and move on after a breakup?
Just giving yourself time because time heals.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How do girls behave after a breakup?
Si una heal tu, just move on. Unatafuta mtu mwingine perfect.
Okay.
Ama tu unatafuta type yako.
That is how you heal. What do you think?
Okay, mimi personally yangu ni after breakup, of course yes, utafeel vibaya, so unakaa for sometimes, then maybe una move on. Alafu ndo feel better, maybe unajipea tu time yako, unachana na yeye maybe. Yani unatry tu kusahau maneno, like kama ni out unajipeleka, like unavaa poa, unaona. Then uta move on to unafuta maybe mtu mwenye ako upgraded maybe kumliko.
Okay.
Like that.
And how do you look for that upgrade of a person?
Okay. So
Naweza msaidia, how do you look for an upgrade?
Aki mimi sijui.
Maybe kuna venye mkuwa mnasikizana mambo mingi sana. Unaona? So unajua tu mali mlikosania what you did, like maybe utaki kwake ama nini, maybe ulicheat, like kama ni kumove on, una avoid hiyo maneno. Unatafuta mtu mwingine mwenye ako like kama ni tabia una change everything.
Okay.
Unapata mtu mwenye ako perfect kwako. But previous kwa relationship, so unajua tu mambo yenye ikuwa poa, so ukua kwa hiyo ya kwanza utakuwa sawa.
Okay. And how do you detach yourself emotionally?
Emotionally. Maybe sasa hapo wachana na mambo ya mapenzi kabisa, wachana na mambo ya wanaume.
Do not date. I do not date.
Kitu kama hiyo. Yani wache kufikiria mapenzi kabisa. Ama
Yeah.
ama si
Hivyo. What do you think? Okay, the last question. How do you heal and move on from a breakup?
Kuheal nayo ni ngumu, but unajikaza tu. Juu sasa kama umeachwa, inabidi ukubali umeachwa, move on, uheal, utafute mtu mwingine, move on. Juu hiyo kidonda bado iko, but itapona.
And hiyo kutafuta mtu mwingine, when do you start to look for that replacement?
Si yako tu, huwezi kosa backup. Obvious ukiwa na mtu lazima ukiwa na mwingine. So ama kama hauko na backup, si itajipa tu, atakuja tu. Kama venye mwingine alikuja, pia huyo mwingine atakuja tu.
Okay, and what do you think?
Okay, kuheal, unajipea tu time kidogo, unafikiria kama utaendelea, maybe utatafuta mtu mwingine ama utapata, like you take, unachukua tu time. Okay. Unafikiria kama uta move on ama kwanza utakuwa peke yako.
Okay.
Kitu kama hiyo. Like mimi siwezi kuwa na haraka ya ku move on, kwanza nitafikiria mambo mingi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you met yourself in a breakup situation and how did you handle that?
Kuna ingine naye niliachwa hapo. Hadi wa leo sijaile. Though nili move on, but sijaile.
Unampenda bado?
I guess.
What if you look for him?
Hapana, simtaki tena. Sijaile, but simtaki tena.
But you haven't moved on. Unafaa umtafute.
Hapana, kumove on, nili move on. Ni venye tu aliniacha. Hiyo kidonda bado iko, but siwezi kosa mtu wako. But sasa yeye, siwezi mtaka tena hapana.
Okay. Yeah, na ukipata na yeye, maybe you meet with him somewhere, maybe on the road while you're walking.
Kupatana watu tunapatana, salamu. Salamu hapa na pale, but mambo ya mapenzi, hiyo iliisha.
How do you feel when you meet him?
Imagine hakuna, na feelingi tu, tuseme ni pain tu, but si eti nampenda.
Okay.
Na feel tu, yani Nile aliniacha,
Yeah.
yani sikuwa nime-expect, ilikuwa surprise yake break.
Okay.
So nili move on, but ni sawa tu.
Okay, you wish him the best.
Bado ni rafiki yangu, tunaongeanga salamu, tunapatana na yeye. But hapo kwa kurudiana naye siwezi.
Okay.
Ni ngumu.
Ulimwachanisha huko.
Hiyo iliisha.
Okay. And have you ever met yourself in a breakup situation, and how did you handle that?
Nishaijikuta lakini after breakup tuliachana tu, but hakuna kuongea, like tumeachana kabisa. Kama ni kumove on, una move on.
Okay.
Yeah, na hakuna tutafikiria for some time na itaisha.
Okay.
Yeah, uta move on to.
Have you ever seen a replacement?
Sorry?
Replacement yako, like from the guy you are dating. Ushaona hadi mwenye ana date?
Sijaiona. Yeah, sijaimuona. Hata hatujaiona anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ushaiona replacement yako?
Na tunajuana, but sijaimwambia nishaidate huyo jamaa wake, na pia jamaa hajaimwambia.
Okay. Was she better than you?
Hapo nayo.
Aliuma nje.
Mimi according to me, mimi najua sijui, unajua maybe huyo dem anampea kenye mimi sikuwa nampea. So labda siwezi jua.
Unaona kama ni nini? Alikuwa anampea uko nampea.
Lakini sijui. Maybe tuseme nini sasa? Labda tuseme pesa. Hakuna kitu ingine.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys.